We guide you through how to see your Apple ID password on iPhone. So the first thing you need to do is to open your settings, then tap your name at the very top of the access to your Apple ID. Next, go to password and security, then tap change password. At this point, your iPhone will ask you to authenticate using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Now, here's the important part. You cannot directly view your current Apple ID password for security reasons, but you can reset it to create a new one. Enter your new password, confirm it, and tap change. If you want to access saved passwords instead, go back to settings, scroll down and tap passwords. Authenticate again, and you'll see a list of saved accounts where you can view stored passwords. Just tap any account to reveal its password.